Hello everyone. Today we will solve exercise number 3.1. Question number 1. In the given matrix A, elements are given. We need to write order of the matrix, number of element and the following elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. First question is order of the matrix. We know that order is number of rows and number of columns is present in any matrix. In this matrix, there are 3 rows and there are 4 columns. So, order of this matrix that should be 3 cross 4. Number of elements 3 into 4, that is nothing but 12. So, if we write the answer, first order of the matrix, that is 3 cross 4. Second, number of elements, that is equals to 12, and A13, first row, third column, that is nothing but 19. If we write all the elements here, let A11, that is 2, A12, 5, A13, 19 and A14 is equals to minus 7. Next, second row first, A21, 35, A22, minus 2, A23 is a 5 by 2, A24 is equals to 12, A31 root 3, A32 1, A33 minus 5 and A34 is equals to 17. Okay. Second question. If a matrix has 24 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Here it is given that number of elements are 24. We need to write these 24 elements in rectangular way. So, row into column, that is equals to 24. Multiplication of two numbers, that should be equals to 24. These two numbers must be natural number. So, we need to write value of m and n. This is nothing but factorize. If we factorize this number 24, then factors of the number represent rows or column. So, if we factorize the number 24, then 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4 and 6. So, order should be 1 cross 24 or 24 cross 1, 2 cross 12, 12 cross 2, 3 cross 8, 8 cross 3, 4 cross 6, 6 cross 4. So, these are the possible orders. Next, second, if number of elements are 13, again we factorize the number 13, then factorization is 1 and 13. So, in this case order should be either 1 cross 13 or 13 cross 1. Next, question number 3, same as the question number 2. If a matrix has the 18 elements, then we need to write the possible orders. Again, if it is a 5 elements, then we need to write the possible orders. So now again here number of elements are 18. If we factorize number 18, then factors 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. So order should be either 1 cross 18 or 18 cross 1, 2 cross 9, 9 cross 2, 3 cross 6, 6 cross 3. If number of elements are 5, then in this case factor if we write, then 1, 1 and 5 only. So order either 1 cross 5 or 5 cross 1. Next, question number 4. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Aij is given by, in the first question, Aij is equals to I plus j whole square dividing by 2. So first Aij is equals to I plus j whole square dividing by 2. We need to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Let 2 cross 2, so A11, A12, A21, A22. So here there are 4 elements. We need to write the 4 elements. So first A11 is equals to A11, that is first row and first column. So in this one put I is equals to 1, j is equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 whole square dividing by 2. 1 plus 1, that is 2 square by 2. So 4 upon 2, which is equals to 2. Next element A12, I1 and j2. 1 plus 2 whole square by 2. So 3 square upon 2, which is equals to 9 upon 2. Next A21 is equals to 2 plus 1 whole square upon 2, again 3 square by 2, which is equals to 9 by 2. And A22, so this is equals to 2 plus 2 whole square upon 2, 2 plus 2 4 square upon 2, so 16 by 2 is equals to 8. So in this case matrix A, that is equals to first element 2, then 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. Second, Aij is equals to I plus j. So second Aij is equals to I upon j. A11 is equals to 1 upon 1 is equals to 1. A12, that is equals to 1 upon 2. A21 is equals to 2 upon 1 is equals to 2, and A22, that is nothing but 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So now in this case matrix is 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1. Third, Aij is equals to I plus 2j whole square upon 2. So same way you can solve this question. Aij I plus 2j whole square upon 2. Okay. So find the answer by yourself. I write the answer here. That should be 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. Verify it. Fifth question, again same. We need to construct here 3 cross 4 matrix. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ए आई जे 1 by 2 माइनस 3i plus j मॉड्यूलस के अंदर. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज ए आई जे इज इक्वल टू 2i minus j. In this case we need to write a matrix of the order 3 cross 4. So there are 12 elements. A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A34. 3 cross 4. So first Aij is equals to 1 upon 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. So A11 is equals to 1 upon 2 minus 3 I is equals to 1 plus 1. So 1 upon 2 minus 3 plus 1, 1 by 2 modulus of minus 2, that is equals to plus 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. A12 1 upon 2 minus 3 plus 2, so 1 upon 2 modulus of minus 1, which is equals to 1 upon 2. A13 1 upon 2 minus 3 plus 3, that is equals to 1 by 2 modulus of 0 is equals to 0. Next A14, if we write 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3 plus 4, so 1 by 2 into modulus of 1, which is equals to 1 upon 2. Same way you need to find remaining elements. So I directly write here A21, that should be 5 by 2, A22 2, A23 3 by 2 and A24 1, A31 4, A32 7 by 2, A33 3 and A34, that be 5 by 2. So answer, that is 1, first 1 by 2 0 1 by 2, 1 1 by 2 0 1 by 2. Next second row 5 by 2 2 3 by 2 and 1. Third row 4 7 by 2 3 and 5 by 2. In the second question, Aij is equals to 2i minus j. Same, find all the 12 elements. I directly write answer 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 3 2 1 0 5 4 3 2. Verify it. Next, question number 6. Find the values of x, y and z from the following question. Here 3 questions are given. In the first question, we need to find value of x, y and z. 2 matrices are given and both are equal. Equality sign is given here. So corresponding element must be equal. So directly we can write here 4 must be equals to y, 3 is equals to z, x is equals to 1 and 5 is equals to 5. So if we solve, first 4 3 x 5 is equals to y z 1 5. So 4 must be equals to y, 3 is equals to z, x is equals to 1 and 5 is equals to 5 is already given. So answer x1, y is equals to 4 and z is equals to 3. Second question, again 2 matrices are given and they are equal. Equality sign is given. X plus y 2, 5 plus z and xy, and that is equals to, on the opposite side, another matrix 6 2 5 8. If we equate these 2 matrices, then we will get x plus y is equals to 6. Next 2 is equals to 2, 5 plus z is equals to 5 and x y is equals to 8. So from here first we consider this one, 5 plus z is equals to 5, it means that z is equals to 0. So first we get z is equals to 0. Now x plus y is equals to 6 and xy is equals to 8. Here we have two equations and two unknown. We need to find the value of x and y. So x plus y is equals to 6 and xy is equals to 8. Here we put the value of y from this one. Y is equals to 8 upon x. In the equation x plus y is equals to 6. So x plus y is equals to 8 upon 6 is equals to 6. If we solve, x square plus 8 upon x is equals to 6. So x square plus 8 is equals to 6x. X square minus 6x plus 8 is equals to 0. If we factorize, 4 2 are 8, 4 and 2 6. So x minus 4, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Either x minus 4 0, x minus 2 0. So either x is equals to 4 or x is equals to 2. Now x plus y is equals to 6 is given. If we consider x is equals to 4, then y 2, and if we consider x is equals to 2, then y should be 4. So the final answer is here x is equals to 4, y is equals to 2, z is equals to 0, and x2 second case, y4, z is equals to 0. Next question. In this question again we need to find the value of a, b, c and d from the equation. Two matrices are given and both are equal. Equality sign is given. So a minus b, 2a plus c, 2a minus b and 3c plus d, which is equals to minus 1, 5, 0 and 13. So here a minus b is equals to minus 1, 2a plus c is equals to 5, 2a minus b is equals to 0 and 3c plus d is equals to 13. First we will solve these two equations in the form a and b. 2a minus b is equals to 0. It means that b is equals to 2a. We put b is equals to 2a in the equation a minus b is equals to minus 1. So b is equals to 2a. A minus 2a is equals to minus 1. So minus a is equals to minus 1. So in this case we will get a is equals to plus 1. Now if we put a is equals to 1 in this one, then we will get b is equals to 2. Next c, we have 2a plus c is equals to 5. So 2 into 1 plus c is equals to 5. So 2 plus c is equals to 5. So c is equals to 3. Next one is a 3c plus d is equals to 13. 3 into 3 plus d is equals to 13. So 9 plus d is equals to 13. So d is equals to 4. So here we get a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 3 and d is equals to 4. Next question, question number 8. The matrix A, Aij m cross n is square matrix if condition for the square matrix we know that number of rows must be equals to number of column. Square matrix if number of rows is equals to number of columns. Here m rows and n columns are given, so m must be equals to n. So answer is option C. Next, question number 9. Which of the given values of x and y makes the following pair of matrices equal? Here, if these two are equal, we need to find the value of x and y. So first, directly if we write 3x plus 7 0, then x is equals to minus 7 upon 3. Then next is phi is equals to y minus 2. So here we will get y is equals to 7. If we see the answer, x is equals to minus 7 by 3, that is not given in any option. In the first option, a is equals to minus 1 by 3, second option a minus 2 by 3, and in the fourth option x is equals to minus 1 by 3. Again, let we have the another value, y plus 1 is equals to 8. So again we will get y is equals to 7, and 2 minus 3x is equals to 4. It implies that 2 minus 4 is equals to 3x. So x is equals to minus 2 by 3. So here we get two different values for x, which is not possible. So in this case, answer is not possible to find. Option B. Next, question number 10. Number of all possible matrices of the order 3 cross 3, which each entry 0 or 1. Here matrix is of the order 3 cross 3. So there are 9 elements, order is 3 cross 3. So number of elements, that is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now each entry either 0, 1. This place can be filled up with either two ways: 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Again 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1. So all the places we can fill with only two ways. So total number of ways to fill 9 places, that is using the permutation, we can write 2 power 9, that is equals to 512. So number of matrices, total number of matrices, that should be 512. So answer D. Thank you.